Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to AI Brain Hub. Today I'm going to show you how to create AI music using Suno V3 and also how to create music videos using Kaiber AI. First, we need to start with creating the lyrics. And what I like to do is to go to ChatGPT because there I think you can get better quality lyrics using the ChatGPT 4 Turbo. And to create your lyrics, you need to write, you are a songwriter and you will write a song about. And here, when you have about, you insert your topic. And my topic is gonna be summer in Bali. What I like also to add, so it doesn't give any more explanation, it will just write the song. You just ask it, write only the song without any explanations. We have this done, we click enter and we wait for our song. Okay, so we have our song ready. If you want to make any changes to your song, just prompt ChatGPT once again and ask for specific changes in the verses or in the chorus, but let's say this is all good. So I just copy the whole song. And now you need to go to suno.com. It will take you to the main page where you can actually see the creations of other people. And you can get a lot of inspiration from here, especially in terms of getting the prompts for the type of music you want to hear. But if we want to create, you go to Create tab. If you have your own lyrics, you need to turn on the custom mode, which is over here. You just click on it. And then you can insert your own lyrics. Is it an instrumental? No, it's not. And here's the most important part, which is the style of music. So here you describe what kind of music it should be. What I like is 808 beat. It's going to be summertime, so it's going to have summer vibes. It's also going to be electronic. I like also to add a little bit of blues into it and house music. I know it's a weird mixture, but with this kind of tools, this is what you can do. You can mix different genres of music, and by this, you can get something really unique. Then you can enter the title. It's gonna be Bali Summer, not Comer, Summer. It's gonna be Bali Summer. Okay, so from this point, you can choose the model, and of course we're going for V3 because it's way better. And you just click Create. We have our first creation. Let's just click play and listen to it. Okay, this one is pretty crappy, I would say. Let's try another one. Okay, they didn't start yet. That's kind of weird. Okay, so none of this music, I don't like it. So what I can do, I can still change it. So let's remove electronic, add experimental, and also indie rock. Let's try once again. You click create, you see 10 credits was deducted for creating those two songs. So once again, we're deducting another 10 credits to generate new music. Okay, we have our new music ready. Let's see.
Kisses the Bali shores. Footprints dance on the sandy floor.
Okay, this is way better.
Whispers of waves
wait for the chorus.
Summer in Bali where dreams get free. An endless dance with the
This is pretty good. When you're getting close to 1 minute and 58 seconds, you need to actually check where your lyrics end. So we want to copy this once again, and you click here on extend. Once you click extend, there's gonna be a new song popping up here and asking extend from 2 minutes. You need to remove this and add the remaining text. So your song will continue until 3 minutes, because 3 minutes is usually the maximum generation. And you just click continue. And once again, for 10 credits, your song will be extended in 2 versions. So you're gonna have options to choose how you want to end your song. And just a quick reminder, this is AI, so it's never perfect. You still need to do a couple of generations to get what you actually want. Okay, we have our generation here. Okay, you see it's continuing. That was perfect in my opinion. It ended the song. It doesn't usually ends like this. Sometimes you can get some extra lyrics that will be taken from the text that you've inputted in the first place. But let's say we like this. So the next move you want to do is to click those 3 buttons here and get the whole song. And it once again, for 10 credits, it will compile the song into one music file. And once we have this, it's going to take another few seconds to generate. We will download the song and go to Kaiber. We have the song, you click download, we just want audio. To create our music video, you want to go to Kaiber AI and click create video. And here you have a couple of options you can choose from. Make music visualizer that will react to the music. You can transform, so you can use already pre-made footage and transform it into something more anime looking. You can use motion. There are many different options, but the one that I want to use is flipbook. You can start with image or you can start with audio. I'm just going to start with prompt and do the rest along the way. So okay, we need to have our song here. So you just drag and drop your song to this box. The next thing is I want to create a video off in style off. This is a prompt that will tell the Kaiber what you want to see, and this is the style that you want to use. You already have predefined styles here. So for my song, I think I'm gonna go for, let's go for Intergalactic. And I want to create a video off. And you have an option of creating a couple of scenes, because if you just create one, it will constantly go around the scene. So it's better to have at least 8, 6, maybe 9 scenes that will evolve along the video. And you can also like make this on your own, but we can go back to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT create a description for 9 scenes that will reflect the lyrics. This is just a very quick process how you can create those music videos in just minutes. So I'm just copying. The scene opens with an early morning sun casting a golden glow over the calm Bali shores. Okay, it's in the style of Intergalactic. So the next steps, you just go to video settings and you here choose your aspect ratio. I want to do 16:9 because it's going to be for YouTube. And then you pick the camera movement. The camera movement is important because if you don't do any camera movement, it will be just a still with evolving images. But I want to do zoom in. It will give me a very nice effect that the video is evolving with a zoom in. The next thing you want to choose is to this parameter evolve. The higher you set it, the more it will evolve. And for better visuals, I would recommend you to choose something between 6 and 9. I'm gonna go for 8. Audio reactivity, so how the video will react to the sound and your audio. I like to go for medium. High, I think it's too glitchy in my opinion. Okay, so we have scene number 1, but we want more scenes. To do it, you just need to generate previews and it will give you an idea how the first scene will look. It will take some time, just a couple of seconds. We have this first one. Okay, this one is perfect because there's a volcano in the back. It looks like Bali. So I'm gonna pick this one as a scene number 1. And here you just click on plus scene. Go back to ChatGPT, copy once again this description, paste it here, go to video settings. You can change once again, you can zoom out, you can rotate clockwise, rotate counterclockwise, up and down. I just wanna have a zoom in throughout the whole video. Here you have the timestamp. Now let's adjust it to 15 seconds, generate previews. And with this generation, you're gonna get only one preview. You can regenerate it, of course, but let's say I like this one. You go back once again to ChatGPT, copy the text, video settings, evolve. I'm setting another one to 39 seconds, generate previews. We have another preview and we're adding another scene. And you just need to do this, repeat this process over and over again until you're gonna finish your song. Okay, we're adding the last scene. The process is almost finished. It's the final scene, video settings. I wanna set it here, generate previews. And the last thing that you need to do is just to click on create video. And this video will take a few moments, and by a few moments you're gonna see it's not gonna be quick because we're generating a video that's over 3 minutes or almost 3 minutes. It's gonna take at least, I think, 30-40 minutes to generate. Grab a coffee, take your time, do something else, and come back when it's ready. And when it's ready, the last thing that you need to do is to just upscale the video for a better quality, and you can upload your video to YouTube or any other streaming services. Before we jump into the final production, thanks for watching. It was a pleasure to show you how to do AI videos and AI music, and please remember that you can get way more creative with the process. Now enjoy the video.
The Bali shores, footprints dance on the sandy floor. Whispers of waves call out in delight. Palm trees sway in the warm, soft light. Summer in Bali where dreams live free. An endless dance with the turquoise sea. Under the sun where the wild hearts roam, and the silent paradise we find our home. Lights aglow with the fiery skies. stars above, how they light your eyes. The rhythm of drums, the soulful tunes, we're lost in the magic of Bali moons. Summer in Bali where dreams live free, an endless dance with the turquoise sea. Under the sun where the wild hearts roam, beside in paradise we find our home. Drifting the currents of oceans deep, secrets that ancient spirits keep. The salt in the air, the breeze in our song, and summer in Bali, this is where we belong. 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 Beside in paradise we find our home. Drifting the currents of oceans deep, secrets that ancient spirits keep. Salt in the air, breeze in our song, in summer in Bali, this is where we belong. The sun sets beyond the tide, we hold these moments where love abides. With each new dawn a new joy we'll see, in summer in Bali.